skip it. If you are not interested in free Russian lessons on YouTube, I assure you, you haven't seen such content on any other Russian teaching channel. Guaranteed. If it's not true, you can give me a deserved dislike. Too quiet? Too loud? Background noise? This is not about my video lessons. I know your time is valuable, so there won't be any 1-minute thinking pauses. Everything is always direct to the point, no fluff. Subtitles in 2 languages in each video will help you learn better and enjoy your lessons. Complex topics, common mistakes, confusing points, basics for beginners, survival, and, of course, handy phrases to use with your Russian girlfriend. All this is already there or will be on ARusPro channel. Just click the go button and see for yourself. Don't subscribe right away. Watch a couple of videos and only then make your decision. Go button right now and let's achieve Russian proficiency together.